in my window, softly playing their own sweet tune. Nighttime whispers, they start to show underneath the pale white moon. Puddle splashes with a twist, echoing in the misty air. Raindrops like a lover's kiss, with a rhythm smooth and rare. Listen to the rain come down, falling gently all around, in the quiet. Hear the sound, nature's slow fall underground. Old umbrella keeping pace, glowing lights of blurry hues, water trails on my face. In the raindrops I'll snooze. Listen to the rain come down, falling gently all on around. In the quiet, hear the sound, nature's lo-fi underground. Streetlights shimmer in the dark, shadows twirl in every part.